To begin taking orders, we must log in. So we must punch in our 4-digit personal code. Then we must clock in. There is a confirmation message coming up that we've clocked in. Here we can see the time that we've been on clock. And of course, when we need to leave, we need to clock out and then of course log out. When placing an order from inside the store, we have a default number that will enable us to directly go to the menu. If the customer insists, we can add their personal number in here. Then we just click on the customer's name and update that. Okay, so we will need to take the customer's order. Our menu allows us to add or remove multiple amounts of the same item just by clicking on the minus or plus button. Or we can remove. With the action bar here, we have a place where we can add any comments needed to for the driver or for the cook. Or we can choose from our comments on the right hand side here, automatically clicked. We can make any additional comments for this particular order in the comment box by going to the Actions tab. We place our comment in here and press on Add Comment, or we choose from the right-hand side list. We can also schedule an order for a future date. If we need to, we can do a discount for the customer. We can put in an open discount, which is an amount, or we can choose from the percentage discounts or the specials that we have ongoing. The red highlighted specials are specials that require manager password. Once the order has been completed, we can continue for the payment. We can do cash and just press on the cash button. Or we can pay by credit card by clicking on card button. We can swipe the card on the swipe machine, which will automatically insert those numbers, or we can manually insert the numbers. And then just charge it through. When an order is placed for delivery, we must add the address in the address bar. If the customer had previously ordered with us, his or her last order will appear. If we need to change that, we can do so just by inserting it in the address box. If there are any changes to the customer's details, for example, the apartment number or room number, we must insert correct info and click Update Customer. If there are no changes, we just continue with the order by clicking on the address bar map point. If for any reason we need to change the store location, we can do so by clicking on the drop-down list and clicking the appropriate store. There will be a pop-up to confirm that. And then we continue with the order. Again, we can choose cash, card, and put that through. If the customer calls and cancel, we can simply cancel the order. If it's a cash order, we just drop down here and cancel the order. In order to cancel the order, we click on the drop-down list, press cancel, enter the reason for canceling, and add reason. We confirm that. If the order is paid by credit card, we need to void the transaction if the cancellation is requested immediately. Void, reason for voiding. Okay, and that will inform us that we've successfully voided. Okay, if the order has been delivered, we need to refund once the customer has called back, requested a refund for some sort of reason, or we need to refund. We need to Once an order has been delivered, a customer will call back and request a refund. Then we need to refund that order by capturing it, and then we need to refund. We can press in a certain amount or the full amount, whatever needs to be refunded. And the refund completed.